Hi families, today I'm going to show you how to get into FlipGrid. FlipGrid is another application. It's easy and it usually works, so fingers crossed, but it is another application we're going to be using weekly just to get to know each other a little bit better. It's going to be almost kind of like a show and tell sort of thing. So you can access it on your computer, hopefully on the school iPads. I will check. Or I actually use it on my cell phone a lot too, just because it has a quick camera and I always have it with me. So to access FlipGrid, just open up whatever email or internet browser you use and type in FlipGrid into the search. It will take you to this site. Here it is. Here it says enter a join code. So our code, which I will put out to you in an email, is 671464 lowercase f-e. Okay, and that should take you in. Now, all of your students should be set up in this with a username, their first name, and their last initial. So I think I did an example with Marley, capital M, lowercase A-R-L-E-Y, capital J. The first letter of your last name is uppercase. So for me, mine is just Mrs. J. When you log in, this is what you see. Now this does have some of my ones from last year in it, but I'll just show you. These are my kiddos from last year, and what you can do, here's one of my son, Jet.
My favorite thing to do with Marley is, yeah, anytime.
So this one we used our cell phone outside, and you can start and stop the video, pause it. So Jet's showing you how he likes to take Marley down our slide. Go. All right. To record a response, once you're in FlipGrid, you'll see a little thing here. It says record a response. So you click on that. And of course, I don't have it set up on this web browser. Let me see if I can get in a different way. Go to this one. All right. So you can click record a response or just record here. I'm going to allow it to use my camera. And then you just click record. It'll count down. You say hello, whatever you want to do. You can use, there's different effects if you want to put fun filters on. All sorts of things like that. You can put frames around. Okay, there's all different things you can do. When you're done, you hit stop. And over here, you click next. Maybe. I don't think it's letting me because of my other thing there. Let's try that. There we go. You say hello, whatever you want to do. You review it. You can. It'll ask you to take a selfie. And then it will upload it. And you can put your name and hit submit. Okay. And then you can go in and see everybody else's things. Each week we'll have a different topic that we will be recording on. And that's what we're going to be doing on FlipGrid. Whoops. Get out of that. Not sure where my screen went, but I will tell you that you can use it on your iPad, hopefully, and your cell phone as well. Cell phone, you just download the app in the App Store, and you can access it through there. Please let me know if you have any questions with this. Feel free to email me. And our first FlipGrid assignment is just introducing yourself. Thanks so much.